Reggae artist Junior Reid has announced upcoming collaborations with rappers Fetty Wap and Dave East. Reid teamed up with Wap on the new remix for the song Milan, and he recently took to Instagram where he shared this audio clip from the song.
Girl, I've no time to waste, no. I wanna make love with you outer space.
Milan, the original version, was released in October and is featured on Fetty Wap's latest album, The Butterfly Effect. The remix is slated to be released on December 17. Now, Junior Reid also teased a new single, Kingdom is a Must, featuring his son, Juju Blood, and New York rapper Dave East. This marks the reggae veteran's second time joining forces with Dave East. Reid previously teamed up with East on a track titled Badness. Grammy-winning rapper Cardi B has announced her upcoming sophomore album. The rapper took to Instagram on Monday to give fans an update on her new projects, as well as her other role as the creative director of Playboy magazine. Now, back in 2018, Cardi B released her debut album, Invasion of Privacy, which won Best Rap Album at the 61st Annual Grammy Awards. Cardi B also recently made history as the first female rapper to secure 3 diamond single certifications for her songs Bodak Yellow, I Like It, which features J Balvin and Bad Bunny, and her Maroon 5 collaboration Girls Like You. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.